Welcome to part 2 of our series on British manufacturing and British supply. Now we're with WDS again. We're visiting their powder coating facility to look at what they offer here. Again with Mr. Mark Moody. Mark, you, as WDS have invested heavily in a powder coating facility, what benefits has it brought to your customers?
Put simply, it's quality and choice. Powder coating delivers a much better finish. It's a really smooth, very durable, very effective finish. Handles, hand wheels, anything used in industrial, just gives a beautiful finish, and it lasts a lot longer than standard paint.
Okay, no, it makes sense. Now, customization seems to be increasingly important across the engineering sectors. How can powder coating support this demand, and are there any practical limitations customers need to be aware of?
In theory, we can produce any colour that's available to us. This one's a little bit more retail and a bit sparkly, but yeah, we can provide a colour for a company's branding. It could be maybe a warning system, could be blue for food and hygiene or medical. It's highly versatile, and the good thing about powder coating is there's absolutely no batch control. So if somebody wants just one handle, we can do just one handle.
Just to clarify, you literally could do one product?
Yeah, we could do. Yeah, absolutely no problem at all.
Okay, well,
as long as it's in stock and we can paint it, we can have it.
Understood. Now, in your mind, what makes powder coating a better choice than traditional liquid painting? In terms of sustainability.
In terms of sustainability, it's absolutely spot on. It contains no solvents, no VOCs. It's very efficient, so there's less waste. And because of the way it's finished and the durability of it, more often than not, it doesn't need to be repainted. So again, one coat does it all.
Okay, all right, that obviously makes a lot of sense. So what applications or industries is powder coating particularly suited to?
Almost any, from machines, from playgrounds, from enclosures, from production lines, anything where you want to display a colour, stop, go, good, bad, or you just want it to look nice. Absolutely anything can be done.
Right, okay. So there's quite a wide range of options, there's a wide range of choice, and what you're saying is WDS has flexibility in terms of what it can deliver for people.
Sure, we've grown the range quite rapidly to meet demands. We were quite surprised by some of the colour choices that customer wants, but if we can get hold of that colour, we'll paint it. And yeah, hand wheels, handles, hand knobs, all of the popular stuff are now available in any colour.
And this is all on site in Pudsey in Leeds?
All on site.
Yeah, okay, well that's quite a thing. Now, where do you expect the colour range to go in the future?
Possibilities are endless, aren't they, as I say. As long as we can get the colour, we can probably paint it. I think customisation is growing, and here's a surprise for you, Q. I got you a new knob. So we can now produce stuff with a company logo on it, or a company colour. It gives a little bit of a quirk. It could have an instruction, stop, go. We can even do those in Braille.
That is absolutely fantastic. I was not expecting that at all. That's absolutely brilliant. Mark, thank you so much for showing us around the powder coating facility, showing us what the capability is, and that really, to be honest, quite tops it all for me. That's really brilliant. Thanks ever so much. So if you'd like to find out more, follow the link. There'll be links so that you can talk to Mark and the team at WDS, find out how they could help you in this facility. And seeing this facility, its availability in the UK and its flexibility as well, some of the key points that I've drawn from this today. So do check them out, do talk to Mark and the team about what they can achieve for you. And part 3 will be following. Links again for that will be available under this video. Thanks for watching.